What's the meaning of bell curve? Bell curve. Bell curve.
Bell curve. Bell curve. The bell curve, also known as the normal distribution curve, is a statistical concept that describes a frequency distribution of data. The curve is shaped like a symmetrical bell, with the majority of data points concentrated in the middle and tapering off towards the ends. In this distribution, the mean, median, and mode are all equal, and the standard deviation determines the width of the curve. The bell curve is frequently used to describe natural phenomena such as height and weight distributions as well as standardized test scores. Understanding the bell curve can help individuals and organizations make informed decisions by analyzing and interpreting data.